there. What are we going to do today? What do you have there?
Oh, I have this project.
It's a chemistry set.
Yes.
You love chemistry, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Blue, pink, green. Be right back.
What does it feel like?
It's squishy.
It's squishy?
It's
You want to open it?
Yes. Bouncy ball.
Is it sticky?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes. Bounce, bounce. Thanks for watching.